Hello once again, YouTube. Welcome to another episode of EWA English, and today we are going to learn different ways of expressing gratitude. We are going to learn all the right ways to say thank you. I'm sure you've been in a situation where you were presented a gift that you didn't particularly want or need and you didn't know what to say. Don't worry, it's never gonna happen again. We're gonna show you everything you need to know how to say in this awkward situation. And we'll go through all the right facial expressions to make your fake thank you sound like a real thank you.
Thank you.
The most basic form of saying thank you is saying thank you. And you can even add degrees. For example, thank you so much. Thanks. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Saying thanks or thank you can be rather sarcastic. For example, somebody gives you a piece of advice that you didn't particularly ask for. You might say, thanks a lot.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.
Thanks a lot.
Oh, thank you so much for your priceless advice. Some ways of saying thank you are really genuine. So for example, you might say to somebody when you really, really want to thank them, thanks a million.
Thanks a million. Oh, you're welcome a million.
We have other expressions that don't have the word thanks or thank you in it, but still express thanking someone. If someone presents you with a gift, you might say, "Oh, that's so sweet of you." A more posh British version might be, "Oh, you shouldn't have."
Oh, you shouldn't have.
And then you might actually say, "No, really, you shouldn't have." In an informal situation, if you want to thank a close friend who did you a favor, you can say, "Thanks, I owe you one," even if you have no intention of doing it. Okay, so that's how you would thank someone. How would you respond when someone thanks you? The most common way to respond is simply by saying, "You're welcome." You're welcome.
You are welcome.
If you're on particularly informal, friendly terms with a person, you might add anytime.
Thanks, Bert.
Anytime, darling.
Day, noon, night, doesn't matter. Anytime, for you, and you only. This has been another episode of EWA English on YouTube. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Please download our app, the link of which can be found below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.